Today is April 17th and it's going to be a long weekend. I am going to do a deep dive on NVDA. NVDA had a nasty surprise yesterday after some embargo or some restrictions to sell to China, and it had a big time selling. And that selling has brought the interest back among retail investors because it went all the way to $100. I'll start with the daily chart, and this is a 1 year chart. The low is 75 and high is 153, and notice that it is in a nice descending channel. First, the big picture. First, the death cross happened a couple of days back. A death cross is nothing but a fancy way of saying a 50-day is below 200-day moving average, and generally that is bearish. So that is out of the way. And what about the TTM squeeze? TTM squeeze, notice it has turned red, which is traditionally bearish as well. And the channel says the next stop or the likely stop is somewhere around $93. With that in mind, let me go to the market generated information, or the monkey bars in TOS. Straight away you can see yesterday there was a big gap, and today on a flat day you had a nice selling tail. And what is a selling tail? Selling tail are the footprint left by conviction sellers who believe that lower prices are ahead, and these guys will sell into every rip. And even the bottom says it is not over and there is more downside for it. Now let me go back to that daily chart and draw a fib level to see where we are at a drawing. If you look at it, it just broke the 32 fib level, and the 23 fib level is right where the channel also meets. Let me make it simpler by eliminating a lot of unwanted lines that is not relevant for this analysis. And notice it just broke the 50, and there's a good chance it's going to go towards 93, and the TTM does not say anything positive about it, and the market as it is extremely weak. So look at SPY, SPX, these are all very weak. So other than having 100 as a criteria where it can trigger a little bit of move higher, right now wait. If you have to buy and if you really plan to hold longer, then you should wait for it to go above 200-day moving average and above 50-day moving average, and the slope should be up. Notice it, once it's above 200-day moving average, you have plenty of time to make money. Why would you want to enter here? This could keep going down and down, and right now the market, there's nothing to say it cannot go down. Be patient and you will be rewarded during a correct market turn. Trading is a difficult pursuit. If someone tells you or makes you feel that making money in the stock market is easy, be cautious. It is a skill, and like any valuable skill, trading must be learned, practiced, and refined over time. That's exactly why I created this web-based training program. You can learn at your own pace, and I have packed it with every tool and strategy I have personally used, when to use, how to apply, and when they work, etc. Check out the link below. I know how difficult it is to be unguided in the stock market. It is frustrating and you learn with expensive losses. Take a look, and if it is not right for you, there's a full money back guarantee. Try the coupon code YouTube. that drops price to less than $100. I trust and I promise it will be a useful tool. Thank you.